Hello everybody, welcome back to Throttle Grotto and the 928 project. Today, the most expensive grommets I've ever purchased. Stay tuned. All right everyone, so I hope this car is worth it once I get it all back together. One of the very quick things that I need to do on the car, but I figured I'd show you guys because you're not familiar with Porsche prices, and especially 928s, you'll be amazed by the fact that Porsche still makes this part. You can still buy these brand new. In fact, the 928 is one of the cars Porsche makes the most amount of parts for still. So that's cool. The fact that I can buy these new and just get them in a couple of days for this car's an 81, so we're talking like a 40-plus-year-old car. That's cool. The part that's not cool is how much these expletives cost. So I had to get 10 of these, and what these are the door sill grommets. So they go into the door sill. I'll show you guys here in a minute. They go into the door sill and locate the door sill trim, which has the 928 logo in it. You would think it would not be an expensive part. So this is I am not kidding you when I'll show you guys the receipt here. These are the cheapest ones I could find on the internet anywhere. So you can see here, the camera to focus on it. There's the part number, grommet from Porsche, $6.25 each, plus $13 shipping and nearly $8 in tax, for a total of $83.34. So at $83.34, that is $8.33 each for these guys. Just so you can snap the door sill trim into the car. So let's put these in. This should be a real quick process. The not quick process will be figuring out where I put the door sill trims. So I'm going to find them in the place that I hid them so I wouldn't break them, so I can put them in the car so I don't break them. This is this maths, right? Okay, so I had to order more pieces to install the door sills. I had to order these Befestigen Sklammers. I butchered the German on that, but these are the little white clips that go on the back of the 928 door sill, and they slide into these little slots. Some of these slots are broken, which means I'm going to have to epoxy these into place. 1, 2, 3, 4, so 5. 4 of these have to be epoxied in place so that I can mount this into the door frame. This part here is loose, but the nice thing is once it's in the car, the rocker panel actually captures that in place. So what did my little sklammers cost me? My little sklammers were $277 each for $27.70. Not bad. But I got railed on the shipping at $18 to ship this. So yeah, $130 into mounting 2 pieces of plastic into the 928 door, into the door jambs. Oh man. And I looked around to see if I could find a universal grommet that had the right shape, something that didn't cost as much. I wasn't able to find anything. So that's the price you pay for playing the Porsche game. so that's it for this episode of Throttle Grotto. May not be the most interesting one, but it's the most I've spent per weight of unit of item going on the car for this whole project. Actually, no. There's a decal I had to spend even more on. But yeah. So thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe, blah, 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 you know, all that stuff. You guys watch YouTube. You know how this all works. So until next time, get out there and work on something.